Even with cooking grates, radiant trays, and burners out of the way, the crossover igniter collector box is often too dirty to simply unscrew from the barbecue firewall. It still must be done. With the crossover collector box out of the grill and the old igniter gone, remove nuts and bolts from the new electrode and line up installation to cut for reliable sparking inside the tube. Only one nut and bolt is used for the installation. Back into the firewall, line up tabs in slots and bolt in place before plugging in the wiring to the 9-volt module.